Hey, it's Wilfred Lehman here at Puerto Rico Real Estate. Thanks for stopping by. And we're doing part one of our seller series. And today we're going to focus on what you need legally, what legal paperwork you need, and some of the other additional paperwork that you need up front to make sure that your house is ready to sell. So some of the paperwork that you definitely need that you want to start gathering is the sales deed, a copy of your CRIM bill. You want to have your utility bills available. You want to have, if you're in an HOA, you want to make sure you have our HOA information available, a copy of the bill, contact information. And then the other thing is you definitely want to do a title search on your property as well, especially if you're not familiar with the property. Say you inherited it. That's another piece of paper too, is if you inherited the property, you want to get your declaration of errors document as well. If you're not sure where to get some of this, if you remember who the attorney was that signed everything and notarized all the paperwork, they should have a copy for you. And if that doesn't work, then you definitely want to hire a really good real estate attorney here on the island to help you with that information. So after you gather why is all this information important? Well, it basically tells you it proves that you're legally the owner of the house, and it also shows that the house is actually ready to sell. So if you had a mortgage on the property and you paid it off, and you'll be surprised that when you pull the title search that the bank who had your mortgage didn't do the proper paperwork to release the lien. So that needs to get done as well. And it's not a simple process here. It takes a little bit of time, and that's why it's so super important that you have a really good attorney to help you with that. The other thing is if say you inherited the house, say it was your parents' house and they gave it to you, you got to make sure that you did the correct paperwork to make sure that you are legally able to sell the house. There's many times where I've been in this situation and come to find out they never did the right paperwork, and that could take months to get done and before your house is ready. So having all the right paperwork and having that information available to you and making sure that everything is in order is super important, so there's no delays when it comes to selling your house. So if you have any other questions regarding this part of the process of getting your house ready, hey, email me, text me, WhatsApp me, but better yet, I always say give me a call. We can discuss your situation, because every situation is different and unique, and it may require either more or less work to get it done. So again, hey, thanks for calling. And if you have any questions regarding buying or selling a property here in Puerto Rico, hey, give me a call. Love to hear from you. And stay tuned for part two. Talk to you soon. Have an awesome day.